Well, hello everyone, and good evening. This is a very interesting day for me. It completes 5 years of building Praxis. I remember almost exactly 5 years back we started the business. Out of my home gym. 150 square foot wide, probably the same dining table as the working desk for three of us. It's been a very enriching experience. Entrepreneurship is a very spiritual journey. It's not about work, but it's also about reflection. It's also about understanding a lot about the realities of the world, and also just challenging yourself and learning a lot about yourself. So it's a very exciting day for me. Today at this point, I would really want to spend some time to thank some very very important people who helped us build Praxis. I want to spend some time on that. First and foremost, my thank you to all the people who have spent any time with our organization. Whether it be 5 years, whether it be 5 days. All of you have spent done an inspirational job in helping us build Praxis. I especially want to thank people who joined us very early. I want to thank our senior leadership team. I want to thank our MPU holder team. For really playing an inspirational and very very important role. And I also want to thank all the family members of people who work with us. You've seen your husband or wife or son, sort of, or father, spend, or mother sort of spend late nights at work and not be available, etc. I want to assure you that they've been off to something amazing. Each one of them has really spent a lot of sweat and blood to help us build the organization, and the time and investment that has gone will not be in vain. So my personal thank you to all of you. I want to specifically thank the leadership team at Praxis. I want to thank Shishir. Thanks a lot for joining us, and sort of extending the business, and sort of extending your umbrella. I want to thank Mohit, Sumit, Suman, all of you, to join our leadership team. I also want to thank our senior leadership team at PGA Lab, Abhilasha, Roma, Abhishek, Webhub, Purnendu, Arindam, and Praneeth, of course, for holding the baton, but not just for PGA Labs, but also finance. Thank you, all of you. It's been very exciting to work with all of you, and I really hope that we have some amazing times in future. Secondly, I want to, of course, thank all our clients. I acknowledge how tough it is a decision to hire an external consulting firm, how collective decision it is. Also, we understand that there's a lot of competition out there. There are players with probably exponential experience than us. Probably 1000x number of people than us as well. Multiple offices, global giants and brands. But you've placed your trust in us. You've extended your business to us and given us a lot of your repeat business. I want to thank each one of you, for giving us the opportunity. And I hope the relationship continues, and we will, of course, invest 110% to deliver the outcomes like we have in the past. Thirdly, I want to thank all our consulting partners. Our vision has been to not just do it alone. We started the business, I and Madhur, believing that there is a lot of expertise that's available out there, and we need to leverage on that. So I personally thank each one of you, our advisors, our domain leaders, our practice leaders, to spend the time and energy with us, in building the practices and organization. Finally, I also want to thank each one of our vendor partners, from our recruitment providers, press, media, from our admin partners, from anyone on the HR side, on the marketing side, on the research services, our research partners, all of you, thank you so much in, being associated with our organization and rendering your services. It's been a very, very exciting journey, and, we're proud to partner with all of you. And finally, I personally also want to thank, all my parents, my family members, my friends, my loved ones, all of you, for bearing with me, bearing with my calendar invites to talk to you, not being available. It's been a very very, very busy, and sort of a lot of sweat and blood has gone into it. I thank you for being patient with me, and helping me sort of, give the necessary sort of resources to really help out, build this business. Thank you so much, each one of you.